Welcome back to the Drive Comfort 2 channel, where horsepower meets passion and every curve tells a story. If you're into speed, design, and the wildest automotive dreams brought to life, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our ride into the world of hypercars. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme machines ever created, the 2025 Bugatti Bolide. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, a beast designed to push the boundaries of engineering, performance, and sheer audacity. The Bolide is Bugatti unleashed. It's track-only, meaning it doesn't follow the rules of traditional road-going hypercars. It's not built for comfort. It's built for lap times, and it shows in every inch of its design. From the aggressive aerodynamics to the X-shaped taillights and massive rear wing, everything screams performance. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the lightweight carbon monocoque, is the legendary 8.0-liter W16 engine. Tuned to produce an insane 1,578 horsepower, it weighs just over 1,400 kilograms, giving it a near 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. That's fighter jet territory, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, under 2.2 seconds. Top speed, theoretically over 500 kilometers per hour, although it's optimized for downforce and cornering, not just raw speed. The sound of the Bolide is savage. It doesn't whisper like an electric future. It roars like a monster from a parallel dimension. Bugatti didn't just build a fast car, they created an experience. A sensation, a pulse-pounding symphony of combustion and precision engineering. Only 40 units will be made, with deliveries starting this year. Each one costs around $4 million, and every one of them is already spoken for. It's exclusive, it's radical, and it represents the final chapter of the W16 era before Bugatti transitions into hybrid territory with the upcoming Tourbillon. If the Chiron was about luxury and power, the Bolide is about madness and speed. It's a tribute to raw racing DNA, brought to life by one of the world's most iconic marques. That's it for today's dive into the 2025 Bugatti Bolide. If you loved this, drop a like, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments, if you had the chance, would you drive the Bolide flat out on the track? Until next time, keep your engines revving and your dreams speeding forward.